Welcome to the car editing process tutorial. This guide will walk you through accessing and updating vehicle information. First, from the dashboard, access the car's drop-down menu and select Edit Cars. This will display all available vehicles in the system. To quickly find the car you wish to edit, use the specialized filters, such as VIN number, plate, car ID, or office. Select the desired car to open its details. Upon selection, you will see the car's characteristics. The first section includes the VIN number, model year, license plate, and toll tag information. Following that, you'll find characteristics such as color, make, brand, and the office where the vehicle is currently available. Next are the vehicle photos. These images must be provided by the company to ensure maximum accuracy regarding the vehicle's state. These photos are sequentially titled Base and numbered starting from 1. This naming convention is crucial for later damage registration. We aim to create a photo database of the most common car models to facilitate easier access when creating or editing vehicles. To register damage, scroll down to the photo you wish to report it on. For example, Base 1. Open the Damage 1 bar, upload the specific damage photo, and enter the date. Finally, click Point Damage. This opens the primary base image where you must click the exact point of the damage. The system will automatically log this information. To finalize, click Save Car Changes. Note that this feature is only accessible to agents or personnel with the appropriate permissions. From the customer's perspective, only the vehicle data, reported damage, and main photos are visible. This ensures traceability of the vehicle's condition before and after pickup, provides the customer with full transparency on the car's status, and allows for quick identification of any damage reported post-use.